Seed oils. They're in everything, from salad dressings to your favorite fries. But now, restaurants are starting to cut them out. And honestly, it's about time. Restaurants like Steak and Shake and Sweetgreen are moving away from seed oils and switching to old-school favorites like beef tallow and olive oil. Why? Because people are starting to ask, what's actually in our food? Seed oils like canola, soybean, and sunflower oil are highly processed and often oxidize when heated, leading to inflammation and other health concerns. Health-conscious eaters are demanding better, and now restaurants are listening. Beef tallow is making a comeback, and oils like olive and avocado are stealing the spotlight for their clean, stable fats. So what does this mean for you? It means more transparency, better ingredient quality, and more control over what you're putting into your body, especially important as we age and want to feel our best every day. Whether you're team olive oil or just ready to say no thanks to sketchy seed oils, the shift is happening, and it's a win for your plate and your health. Subscribe, like, and what's your go-to cooking oil? Drop it in the comments.